I'm the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019, and you may notice that every time you start the car, the Eco light here is active. And you can't see it because it doesn't focus, unfortunately. Here is Eco light. And only if you want to turn it off, you can press this button. It turns this Eco light off, and you have a little more power in your car. And then if you press it again, you turn on the eco mode again, and your car has a couple of kilometers, couple of miles more range. And so this eco mode, what it does, it limits the maximum speed, it limits the power a little bit of your car, and it also modifies how the climate control works. So AC will not be as efficient as in normal mode, and that's all. Actually, what people say in forums and owners say about this car, it's not worth it. So you get less power. It's not the most powerful vehicle in the world, so you get less power, even less power than that, and then the standard mode, and you're not really happy with that. And also, if it's hot, your climate system will not be working efficiently. So it's not worth it. It's not worth the economy you get. So a lot of people will press this eco off button anytime they start their vehicles, and they have a little more power and a little more fun driving this pretty cool EV.